28. Can you imagine? We are almost at the end. And today we learn about mail merge. Mail merge is a very interesting tool, right? Because it utilizes the power of Excel and Microsoft Word. But so all of this will show you is how the Microsoft Office applications are quite related, right? And how you can leverage your knowledge in one to enhance what you do in another, right? So let's get ahead to the class, and I'll see you afterwards.
Hello everyone. So today we're looking at mail merge. So mail merge, um, it's a way that mixes both Excel and Microsoft Word, right? So let's say we have this letter, right? And we want to customize the letter, right? So we have this Excel sheet that gives us this data. We have the customer name, the address, the states they are in the country, and the amount they owe us, for example, right? And we want to send this very simple letter to them to confirm that they owe us, right? So we want to address it. So this will be the customer name, the address, the state, the region, and we want to put the amount they owe us here, right? Now, how do you do that using Excel, right? How do you customize the letter? I remember we have a lot of people to do this for, right? And we can't start doing it one by one, right? Captain this, captain that, right? We want to do a letter, right? Or send an email to everybody, right? How do we do it? We use mail merge, right? So this just shows the interplay or the interplay between Microsoft Office, the Microsoft Office packages, right? So Excel and Word. So what I'll do is that I'll go to my Word document, right? And I'll go to mailings. What you have here, we have mailings here, right? I go to mailings. On mailings, you see mail merge. What I will do is that I will start mail merge and I'll go to start mail merge wizard. So we can go step by step, how that plays, right? So go to mail by mail, step by step wizard, right? So the first thing is asking us select document type, right? If you're doing a letter, you're doing an email. If you're doing an email, it can actually send an email for you, right? But that means in your data sets, you need to have the email addresses, right, for each of them as well. So we automatically send it, right? So it just depends on what you want to do. So for us now, we just want to do a letter, right? So click on letter, I'll go next, start document. And the next one is start document, right? You use the template, use existing document, use current document, right? We just want to use this current document, so we just use current document, leave it like as it, then go to select recipient, right? Now we need to link in the recipient, right? So that use an existing list, output contact or a new list, right? So we have an existing list in that Excel, right? So click on browse and we go to that existing list, right? So go to just find it where exactly it's saved, right? So this is where it's saved for me, right? This is my mail merge data, and I click on open. Right now, you see that it gives me the two sheets inside. We have cover sheet and we have data sheet, right? It's a data sheet that has the data, right? This is our data. We have cover data. So the data sheet has the data. So I click on data, click on OK, right? Next thing it will do is it will tell me, so these are all the data that this is what's in there, right? Pretty much this I say, oh yes, it's fine. I click on OK, right? That's all, right? The next one is start writing your letter. Right. So now let's start writing our letter. Right. So we have the dates, we have this. What we want to put here, we want to put the customer's name, right? Customer's name. Right. So I come back to mailings where I have insert merge field, right? So I just put this X just as a guide, right? So I remove this X. And what I want to put here is customer name, right? Comma. Then underneath here is customer address, right? Comma. Then I want states. Pretty much I'm just removing the X, right? The X what are just markers, right? So I want then the customer state, comma, then the country, right? Full stop. So this is what I want, right? Customer name, this, then the amount comes here, right? This final X, right? So I move this X, I come and set the amount field, right? So this is this, right? Next thing you see is preview your letter. So I go to preview your letter. And you can see that it is for the first one, Captain TikTok, this is where he lives, this country, the amount he owes, right? So you can see it here, Captain TikTok, blah, 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 right? So if I see other ones, we just keep on moving left, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's all right. I can come here, maybe change the formatting to black because it's actually black I want, right? I just did it in red just for us to see, right? But the only issue we have now is that everything looks fine. Back to mailings, everything looks fine. The only difference is that, the only issue is that the numbers are not formatted well. You can see it's giving me the full point, blah, 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 blah. right? But I mean, I don't want the full point. All I want is just very, very, formatted nicely, right? So what I'll do is that I'll come here, just show us something, right? So when you want to format a number, right, you can see that this way to format a whole number, right? Hash comma hash at zero, hash comma hash at zero. That's the way to format a whole number. If you want one decimal place, it's hash comma hash at 0.0, right? That's how you format whole number, right? So given that in mind, I come back here, I click on the number, right? Click on it, right? So click on the number, right? Click on it, I click on toggle field code, right? So it will not give me a code, the code here, right? So what I'll do is that I'll put a forward slash, then now put my code. So that's hash comma hash hash zero, right? So I want it whole number, right? That's what I want, right? Then all I just do is come back again, click on this, and click on update field. And you can see that he has updated it to to a whole number, right? So if I go around, you can see that it's now a whole number. I don't have to. It's no longer how it was, right? So this is fine. So what I can do is that I can print the document, send them as an email, or edit. I mean, if I don't just save them, save everything, I can edit the individual documents, everything, right? You just bring everything, and I can just save this, right? Maybe in a PDF or any I want to do it, or print it, like depending on what I want to do, right? So it's as simple as that, right? This is just how to merge. Using Excel and Word together. Thank you very much.
Did you get that? It was quite simple, straightforward, right? Mail merge, just need to just follow the step-by-step wizard, and you're able to, make personalized, customized letters, customized emails. You have many of such to do, right? So thank you so much for joining. We are almost there, almost there. Stick with me. I see you tomorrow, the 29th. Right, where we'll learn about how to do a single budget. The 30, I'll be giving us an assignment to do, right? I will just walk through what is expected of us, right? And we'll see finally day 31 at our next live session. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.